Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through Norwegian Cruise Lines and our experiences with that line. We went on my first cruise ever, but before we did that, we watched a whole bunch of videos about cruising, things to do, things not to do, which I will come out with a video about that probably next month or something like that. But for right now, we went on this Norwegian cruise in August of 2025, and I broke this video down so it wouldn't be really long, but I really wanted to get you to experience the entertainment side of it, what happened as far as entertainment. I did a whole separate video of Nothing Choir of Man. I got its own section because it was I did so much videos there, so I really wanted to get a feel. It's probably their biggest production show. Of course, as I do this, someone with a diesel's got to come by. Yeah, not a fan of diesels. This is a gasser. But anyway, and also I want to give you also want to do a video on excursions, another video on the food itself, and another video on the ship and what's the ship layout kind of thing, and some things you can expect to see on the ship as far as embarkation, deportation. Deportation? I guess it would be deportation. Disembarkation. But come on with this. I'll put whatever this one here is right down here. So that's going to tell you what this particular video is going to be about, which you should probably already know by the caption. Anyway, come on with this because you just entered the Coolest Life, which is this one here is going to be ship version.
The dog or crossing a bottomless gorge? Ask George. He takes care of things. That's why his phone constantly rings. Never takes a moment to think about just him. Doesn't like the questions it brings. But not tonight, eh mate? I'll call you back. 'Cause tonight... Before you met me, I was alright, but things were kinda heavy. Got into life now every February. We might have little time. Valentine, let's go on the way tonight. Let's just run. We that isn't the only story here. We've a wealth. This isn't somewhere you have to set your feelings to stealth. Between us, we've lost pets and parents, jobs, and all hope. But this isn't a leave it outside kind of place or a boys don't cry kind of place. Nope. You're only as strong as your weakest part, and we're only as strong as our weakest heart. Hey, cheer up!
So I wrote to the paper. We wrote to the paper.
one. You sing one. Oh, come on. With from the chandelier, I'm gonna leave like tonight doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. Alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Dog or crossing a bottomless gorge. Ask George. He takes care of things. But his phone constantly rings. To the jungle! While she lasts, we'll make the most of each night we have. Sláinte. Cheers!